Hi guys, in this video we talk about iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Vivo X100 Pro. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max launched on September 2023 with the price tag of $1,199 and the Vivo X100 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $800. The body dimensions: the iPhone 15 Pro Max height 6.3 inches, width 3.02 inches, thickness 8.3 mm, and the Vivo X100 Pro dimensions: height 6.46 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 9.1 mm, and the weight of the devices: the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 220 gram and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 225 gram. The build of the devices: the Vivo X100 Pro comes with front and back glass and aluminium frame. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with front and back glass and titanium frame, and the both device comes with dual SIM nano SIM card supported, and
Display.
the iPhone have eSIM service too. The display type of these devices: the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED 16 mm color screen type. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 6.7 inches and Vivo X100 Pro comes with 6.78 inches. The both devices come with 1.5K screen resolution, and the PPI NFC iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 460 PPI NFC and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 453 PPI NFC. The both devices come with 120 Hz refresh rate. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 89.8% screen to body ratio and the same Vivo X100 Pro 89.8% screen to body ratio. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with ceramic shield glass protection and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass protection. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness and the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 2000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The iPhone 15 Pro Max triple camera setup: 48 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 12 megapixel periscope telephoto, and a TOF 3D ladder sensor. And it's got 4K 60 fps video. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with this optics. And it's got 8K 30 fps video. Let's talk about her selfie cameras. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with dual camera, 12 megapixel, and a SL3D biometric sensor, and it's got 4K 60 fps video. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera. It's got 1080p 60 fps video record. The platform of the devices: iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with a octa-core CPU and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with Apple A17 Pro 3nm chipset and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with Apple GPU 6 core and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with Motorola G720 GPU. iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with iOS 17 and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with Android 14 Fun-Touch 14 operating system. Let's go to the memory setup. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 8GB of RAM and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage RAM, and the same Vivo X100 Pro comes with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card port in both devices. The battery setup of these devices: iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 4441 mAh battery. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 5400 mAh battery. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 33 watt fast charging and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 100 watt fast charging. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 50 watt wireless charging and the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 15 watt wireless charging, and the both devices come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max have Face ID unlocking system and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with fingerprint under display system unlocking feature. The result of these devices: iPhone 15 Pro Max got 20 points and the Vivo X100 Pro got 24 points.
Comms and features.